Japan-based DC motor manufacturing company. Of course, apart from DC, Mabuchi is also manufacturing the BLDC motors for medical solution, as well as we are making medical solution pumps. We have solution for robotics, we have solution for warehouse automation, we have solution for factory automation like semicon industry and all. Our motors are mainly used in like our majority share comes from the automotive, which is nearly 80%. If you see like side mirrors in automotive cars, if you see like door lock in automotive cars, these all are using DC motors. Apart from this, if you go to medical segment where you see the surgery happening in bone surgeries and all, there you require some high speed motors and high torque motors, that is called BLDC motors, and that motor also Mabuchi make in Europe in Mabuchi Electromex Switzerland factory. And apart from this, we have pumps that being used in BP machines, nebulizer and patient monitor. The Omron is our one of the biggest customer in that segment. And apart from this, the warehouse automation and robotics, as you can see here, for robot joints, we have solution. That solution is, we call it frameless motor. And for warehousing solution, we have other side is warehouse solution. That is, we call it AZV and AMR. Generally, if you see company like Amazon, Flipkart, Snapdeal and all, so they use particularly that solution for the warehouse automation. Yeah.